Now we're gonna bend at the waist and work our arms back for that middle back region. Our hands will still be crossed here, and we're going to extend back, squeeze with our shoulder blades, and then eccentrically, slowly control that resistance. The key is to maintain the proper bent over angle. We don't want to lose the resistance when our hands get low. We want to be back far enough from the wall to where we've got those bands stretched the entire way. Fusion cables are great because we can train at any distance, but the key is to get into the resistance before we start. We don't want to be too close to where every time we pause, we have no resistance and then we're turning back on the muscles. Time under tension is key for growth, so throughout the entire range of motion, we want to feel the resistance. Keep your arms straight during this exercise. We don't want to get too bent up towards the back and chicken wing our arms. Nice straight arms, squeezing the shoulder blades, and hold that nice bend to your elbow.